Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this silver and black winged eyeshadow makeup look. To start this look, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for the black shade, and I'll begin to create the winged shape. Then I start to fill in the outer corner with the black eyeshadow, moving towards the middle of the eye. Next, I'll be using a gray eyeshadow for the middle of the eye, blending in with the black. Next, for the sparkly metallic silver, I'm going to be using the NYX Avant Pop palette, and I'll be using the silver in the inner corners. Next, to clean up the shape, I'm going to be using makeup removers and Q-tips around the outside. Then I'll be using liquid black eyeliner to give the wing a sharper shape. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and then topping this with false lashes. And that completes this silver and black wing eyeshadow makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.